Okay, this is a USB circuit, USB, right? This one also many different problem. Tri-star problem, tri-star. This circuit is very big circuit, many different lines, right? If today you understand all lines function, so you can fix many different faults, many different problems. First, tell me, what's this? What's this?
Baseband CPU.
EBCPU. This one?
PMU.
PMU. This?
The connector.
The connector. This?
Where? Okay, audio IC.
Audio IC codec. This one?
Switch.
Switch. Just now. Charging circuit, remember? The switch, right?
This gate.
Yeah. This one, Tigris, okay? This one, CPU. This one, USB, tri-star. Okay. Now we learn line by line. Line by line. What's this? This is the power. Power 1. Power to 1.8. Just now that one is 3.3. 1.8. 3.0. Okay. What's this? Tell me.
Reset line.
Reset line to reset tri-star. How about this?
I2C.
I2C is 0. I2C to test, CPU to test, tri-star ready or not, good or not good. Okay. This one interrupt from tri-star to CPU. This line, remember this one? USB and charger detection, detect. Remember this. What's the function of this line? Because the cable can be charging cable, can be USB cable, right? So how do you know? So this line connect to tri-star, and tri-star will detect whether you connect to computer or connect to charger. So, and then he will know it is charging or USB. What's this two line? What's the function?
Computer.
Look here. Pair 1, do you see pair 1? Pair means double, right? 2. Pair, this is positive. This is negative, okay? This is to connect computer. This computer outside. This is computer, right? Connect to computer. Do you know DFU? DFU.
Yeah.
DFU means computer connect to CPU, right? So these two lines to connect computer with CPU through USB. Okay. Do you see this? Again, I show you again. Computer to tri-star. Tri-star to CPU. And then CPU reply. CPU reply. And then to computer. So if these two lines broken, no DFU. DFU, no. Listen now. So,
Yeah.
no DFU, mostly tri-star problem. Because these two lines go to tri-star. Tri-star easy to be broken, okay? This is pair 1. And this, okay, These are control lines, CPU to control TriStar. UART. How many lines UART? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 lines UART. What does UART mean? Mr. Moreau, universal, asynchronous receiver and transmitter UART. This is computer protocol, right?
Okay, but Master, what? Why is connecting through the TriStar to the baseband?
Not baseband. This is iCpu.
Yes, but
Are you talking about another line? Don't worry, don't worry. I will tell. Don't worry, one by one. Okay. Okay, another control line. Another control line. JTAG. What does JTAG mean?
Joint test action.
Joint test action group, right? JTAG. This is another way to control. Okay. These are all control lines from CPU to TriStar. Okay. After that, pair 2. Who can tell me what's the function of pair 2? Pair 2. What's the function of pair 2? Tell me.
Same as pair 1.
Huh?
Same.
Same. No. Pair 1 to connect. Pair 1 to connect. Pair 2 to upload, download. Okay?
Okay.
Do you know upload, download?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll say today you understand all lines. Okay. I think very few technicians understand line by line. Most of them know this IC, that IC. But this line, that line, not so easy. And look, what's the function of this audio IC here?
To give the sound charging.
For sound charging?
Yes.
No. What other answer, Mr. Moreau?
I don't know.
I don't know at all. Yes.
Only sound of charging, I don't.
No. When you restore, do you hear ding dong? When you restore, no. When you connect your cable to USB to computer, ding dong. Do you know?
Yes.
That's exactly what I meant by sound charging.
Not charging. That's not charging. Charging no sound. Okay, only USB. Okay, maybe you understand, but you explain not so clear. Okay, this is the ding dong. When you connect USB to computer will ding dong like this. Okay, look here. Look, it goes from audio IC to TriStar. And then from pair to computer, okay? Media audio, okay? And sometimes you can play music. You connect to computer to play music, do you know?
Yes.
Yeah, same. Okay. Tell me what's the function of these two?
Side A and side B of the charge cable.
Yeah, ACC1, ACC2, accessory 1, accessory 2. That's the up side A, side B. The charging cable. The cable have 2 sides, right? So if one line broken, what happened? Side A working, side B not work. Okay? Understand now? So next time, if only one side working, one side charging, so you check these 2 lines, okay? 100% you fix it easily. So that's why I told you diagram is very, very important for technician, for top technician, okay? If you want to be top technician, diagram is very important, okay? You need to understand. That's all, right? Understand?
Yes.
Claro que sí.
Ah, what?
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah, look, this is USB circuit. Okay, this look very good. Okay. This one, audio IC for Dingtalk, right? This one PMU for power to charge star. This one is charge star here near NAND. Okay. This one the switch for charging. This one switch for charging. And this one Tigris near charge star. CPU. Ah, just now your question. BB CPU. Dock connector, okay. Okay, this is the flex. The flex, okay. Okay, come back to the question. Okay, just now Mr. Kodat.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, now Mr. Moreau,
Yes.
you tell me what's the function of a baseband CPU here? Why we need baseband CPU here? Why? You see the baseband CPU?
It's possible for send some information to the. I don't know.
Okay.
I think maybe when you connect to computer.
Modem firmware.
No, for the internet.
Yes, that's correct. Mr. Ash, correct. Hotspot, do the hotspot.
Yes, hotspot.
Hotspot. Sometimes your internet, your laptop, no internet, right?
Yes.
You want to use the internet from your mobile phone. You connect the cable USB to your laptop and then hotspot. Do you understand?
Yes,
Do,
yes,
do you ever use this function?
yes.
No.
No,
Always.
you try.
No.
Okay, you need to try. What does it mean? When your laptop, no internet, no Wi-Fi, okay? Today you go outside, okay? And then your phone have internet. Yeah, he shows your phone have internet. How you do? You connect the USB to your phone. Okay, show. And then your laptop use the internet from your phone. You never use it, I think.
Okay.
And you try because you never have this problem. Last time I go to India, the internet Wi-Fi no, so I use my laptop. Use my laptop GSM. Okay, so we need a baseband. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, maybe you never use this, so you cannot imagine.
In my country,
Never use.
we always use.
In your country, you always use, right?
Yes.
Your country
Because-
Wi-Fi no good.
Yes, no good.
Your country Wi-Fi no good, so you know how to use. The Spain Wi-Fi so good, so don't need to use.
Say never use. Never use.
Never use. You only use Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay, that's good. If you don't use, next time you try laptop. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's all for USB. Okay.
Okay.
Next section.